What just happened to you? Why are you acting like this all of a sudden?
So we're trying to decide who deserves to wear the crown, right? Who should I give it to?
Whoever wins this game is going to earn a shiny crown as the prize for winning.
Soon after.
Oh, so the champion of the game is the one who will get the crown. Is that how it works?
I'm totally going to win this game. You'll see. I just know it.
I'll go ahead and take the first turn. I'm ready to start playing.
All right, everyone, let's begin the game right now and make it super fun.
A few minutes later.
You need to quickly grab all the fruits you can and then hurry away from here. I guess I have to leave without really understanding everything that's going on. Wow, look at all these fruits. They're so colorful and they smell really good.
Wow, there are so many yummy mangoes and other fruits. They look delicious.
A few hours later.
Help! Somebody please help me. I really need a friend right now. Help! Somebody please help me.
Please save me, friend. I'm counting on you to help me out of this.
A few minutes later.
Thank you so much for helping me. I really appreciate what you did.
The lion cub is the winner of the game, and now the crown belongs to him.
Wow, these fruits look absolutely amazing. They're all colorful and fresh, and I can't wait to enjoy them. I'm feeling really tired now, so I'm going to head off to sleep and get some good rest.
Hey, let's sneak over and take some of those fruits while no one's looking. It'll be like a secret little mission.
seems like the perfect moment to do it. Everything's quiet and nobody is here to stop us. In which room did our friend keep all the food? I really can't remember where it is.
Okay, let's go, friend. We'll walk together and figure this out as a team. Let's just push the door open instead of breaking it. We can get inside without causing any trouble.
I'll go ahead and try first, and if it works, you can follow right behind me. The gorilla has finally gone to sleep, so now everything is quiet and we can move around without being noticed.
Sorry, but where exactly is the place we're supposed to do this?
Work together with me and do the right thing, and then you can enjoy eating whenever you're allowed to.
Few moments later.
We really should never take anything that belongs to someone else without asking for their permission first. It's much better to be honest.
Hey, little ones. You go splash and play in the water for a while. I'll stay right here and keep a close eye on the eggs so they stay safe.
I really want those eggs. I'm feeling like I'd like to eat them all up.
Those baby ducks look so cute. But it might be kind of fun to make them a little scared, just to tease them.
Hey, you need to go away from here right now. Go on. Go, go, go. You're being a mean fox, and you're not welcome near our eggs.
Looks like there aren't any ducks around watching this spot. So let's quietly take those eggs while we have the chance. Wow, these eggs are looking really big and tasty. Let's hurry and eat them before anyone sees us. Oh, these eggs have already hatched into little babies now. It doesn't feel right to take them away anymore. So let's just leave them here and go.
My egg are safe.